The process begins by carefully separating the engine from the massive dozer. Once removed, the engine is fully dismantled, with all its parts taken apart piece by piece. Damaged components are then skillfully repaired and adjusted using basic machinery, bringing them back to working condition. After that, the engine is reassembled with precision, ensuring every part fits perfectly. With everything back in place, the restored engine is ready to power the dozer once again, proving that even basic tools can deliver incredible results.